Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is constructor. Constructor in C++ is used to initialize the values when we create an object. Whenever we create an object, at the time of creation of object, we initialize the values. For example, if here I make a function of constructor, so first of all I will declare a class. For class, for example, class name is maths. Here I will declare some variables $a, $b, $c. Now I want to declare a constructor. So to declare a constructor, I will write function, and then here I will write construct, and here I will pass two values. For example, $n or $m. Here I will initialize the values. So to initialize the values, I will write $this a. Here I will write a equal to, with a we will not write the $sign, $n. Similarly, here I will copy this one, and here I will write $this a and then b, and here I will write down m. So this is a constructor. Now if I create a function here, for example the function name is if I directly create here the $this c is equal to a, this a plus this b. For example, if I copy this one, Control V plus Control V, and here if I write down b. Now and here if I write down echo $this c, and from here we will create an object. For example, if we create object m1, so I will write $m1 equal to new, and from here we will pass parameters maths, and here we will, for example, 56 and 45. Here we will pass the parameters, and when we pass this parameter, automatically it will assign when we create an object. So this argument will pass to the parameter $n and $m, and it will assign to the variable a and b, and it will display the result. So there is a difference between constructor and simple classes. In simple classes, when we does not declare a constructor, there is by default a constructor is created. Here no by default constructor is created. So in that by default constructor created, they assign their own value, but here we will assign the value. So you can say it will manage your memory and take less memory. So in this the 56 will pass to $n, 45 will pass to $m. It will store in these two variables, then it will sum and display the result. So if I save it, file, save as, and if I write down here constructor, and save it, now we will see there is some error, but we will see what is the error. So we will write down here, for example, $a$b, we will declare it is a public, and if we save it, for example, if we save, yes, now it will work. And if we here, if we write down PHP files, and here we will select the constructor, so it gives us the result 101. Let's see. Yes. So similarly you can call more and more constructor. For example, if I copy it here, paste here, and here if I write down 46 40, and here if I write down for line break, I will write double quotes and BR semicolon. Now save it. Now we are create two objects, so it will give us two results, one result for M1 object and one result for M2 object. If I write here this M2, so it will give us two results. Save it, and if I refresh it, you see there are two results. One is 101, one is 185. Here you can also write down, for example, if you write down echo the result of first object, and here if you write down semicolon, and here if you write down sim echo, and BR semicolon, and if you write down here also, for example, here, yes, here is display, and if we write here the same thing, Control V, the result of second object. So the result of the first object is 101, and the result of second object is 85. So if you want to correct this, the first result of is if we remove this one and save it, it will give us an appropriate way the results 101, and the result of second object is 85. In this way you can create many and many objects. Thank you very much.